Now this is the old cathedral in the square. They're really damaged in the earthquake. They're expecting this to cost a $200 million rebuild. Now let's have a look at the cardboard cathedral. The cost of that is $5.5 million.
And believe it or not, guys, that is cardboard. Talk about taking recycling to a whole new height. Guys, here we go. Let's have a look, see what we can see. Look at this, guys. Is that awesome or is that awesome? So if we have a look up here, guys, you can see that it is actually cardboard, made out of cardboard tubing, with a row of fans running up the centre.
So let's go back into the square and have a look at the old cathedral. This has been going on for about 14 years now. It's absolutely crazy the amount of money they're spending on this project. I mean, I'm no architect, but I don't know, I would sooner stick with the cardboard cathedral. See, it certainly seems to get a lot more visitors than what this is ever going to do. But like I say, what do I know?
It's the old cathedral in the 1880s. There's the cathedral after the earthquakes. So we're right in the central square now, guys. Now let's see if we can actually see something in here. It's looking pretty sorry for itself. How does it take 12, 13 years to get to this stage? Anyway, I'm no architect. There's the big chalice. That's pretty awesome, I think. This part of town is going to have a total regeneration as part of the ongoing works. We've got another tram coming up here, guys. It's quite cute, isn't it? I think it's quite cute. Here we are from the other side, guys. Doesn't look much better, does she?
Now let's have another look at the cardboard cathedral, my favourite by far.
Now there's 98 of these cardboard tubes, guys, and they're about 20 metres in length, as you can see. They'd be really, really good for acoustics. They're about 60 centimetres in diameter, and they weigh about 120 kilos a piece. What's that? About 260 pounds. And you can see how the light sort of goes in between them. Place for the choir. This is one of the first buildings constructed after the quakes, and now it's a Christchurch staple, really. Oh, beautiful windows here, guys. Is that cool or is that cool? Well, I've never actually been to a service here, but it might be on my list of things to do. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little tour. I was quite impressed, actually. I think this cathedral was about 5.5 million New Zealand dollars to build. The other cathedral in Cathedral Square, that one's going to cost about 160 million to rebuild. So you guys be the judge. Anyway guys, if you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day in the comments below. And remember, if it's Kiwi, it's got to be good.